Today, we're going to talk folic acid. The good news is, there are many foods that are naturally rich in folic acid. These include leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, legumes such as beans, peas, and lentils, and even some fruits like oranges and grapefruits. Also, many types of foods are fortified with folic acid such as rice, pasta, bread, and some breakfast cereals. To prevent folic acid deficiency, it's important to eat a balanced diet rich in these foods. If you're experiencing symptoms of folic acid deficiency, it's important to seek medical advice. Your healthcare provider will evaluate with proper history, physical examination, and lab work and will make further recommendations regarding replacement. This video is intended for informational purposes only. Always consult your healthcare provider for personalized medical advice.